Hey guys, what's happening? Today I'm going to talk about the best video translation tools. Specifically, we're going to talk about Akool. Akool is a generative AI platform designed to streamline and enhance digital content creation. It offers a suite of tools that cater to various multimedia needs, making it a valuable asset for content creators, marketers, and businesses aiming to produce high-quality visuals and audio content efficiently. So we're going to just go ahead and click the free trial at the top, and we're gonna log in just to do the video translation, right? So we're gonna just go ahead and log in using our credentials, and afterwards, after you log in, you're gonna be able to get started, right? Go ahead and click get started, right? You can stream avatar, like talking avatar, voice translation. You can see right here the tools, right? And we're gonna focus on the video translation, obviously, right? By clicking the video translation. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be able to add the video and change the language. Go ahead and hit stop for free, right? You can add up to 5 minutes of video, right? Free 4K video, limited time, and no credit card required. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit stop for free, add the video, or you can just go ahead and add a demo and just go ahead, click create translation, right? Add the source language, let's say Arabic, in the target language Arabic, or let's say Arabic in English, right? And then the speaker voice clone, right? If you have right here, voice clone would use the voices in the video to generate translated audio. Okay, and you can see the English version, voice clone, right? And you can see the studio voice, right? Which needs to have an upgrade for that, right? So I'm gonna cancel this one. And then you're gonna be able to hit the number of speakers. You can just go ahead and hit 1 or 2, depends on the video, right? If you want the lip syncing, just go ahead and turn on the lip syncing. You can see right here, of course, the advanced settings. If you want to remove background, if you want to add captions, you need to upgrade to the pro version, right? And then hit translate. Okay, source and target language cannot be the same. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna target a language, Bulgarian and Danish, and then hit translate. And of course, you're gonna just wait for a few moments, right? Obviously, and you're gonna see the final result. Okay, so basically that's it. You're gonna let the AI do its thing. Let's talk about the key features of Akool other than just video translation, right? They have streaming avatar, face swap. They have high quality face swapping. Akool provides advanced face swapping capabilities, allowing users to seamlessly replace faces in images and videos with photorealistic results. This feature is particularly useful for marketing teams looking to customize stock media without the need for new shots or for new shoots, right? Customization option. Users can adjust age, remove blemishes, and fine-tune other facial features, offering a high degree of personalization in their project, right? And they have also the AI-generated avatars. The platform enables the creation of lifelike avatars using visual representation and voice tone customization. You could just go ahead to the talking avatar right here and use that feature, or you could just go ahead and click the face swap if you want to just swap faces, right? So in this particular area of avatar, right, they enable you to, or they help you to enable, or basically they help you to create face-like, right, with visual representation and voice tone customization, enhancing user engagement in digital content. And Akool offers real-time interactive avatars suitable for live streaming in virtual events, providing dynamic audience interaction. And they have also, as we did before, the video translation, right? And the video translation allows you to facilitate video translation, breaking language barrier and enabling content to reach a global audience. This feature includes accurate subtitle generation and synchronization. The platform includes background music removal and dynamic adjustment of video length according to speech speed, ensuring professional quality translation. And they have also the image generation and editing. You can find it right here, right? Video campaign, talking photo, whatever, right? They have the image generator. Users can create stunning images from simple prompts, aiding in a quick content generation, marketing, and social media. And they have also the background change. The tool auto detect subject and images, allowing for seamless background alterations without the need for complex editing skills. And they have also the talking photos, right? The talking photos basically allows you to animate static photos, aiding voices and movement to create engaging content for various platforms. And they have the AI video editor, right? And the platform offers an AI-powered video editor that simplifies the editing process, providing features like automatic scene detection and background removal to enhance production efficiency. If we want to talk about the pros and cons, and we will talk specifically on the pros, Akool's intuitive design ensures that users, regardless of technical expertise, can navigate and utilize its features effectively. And the platform caters to a wide range of content creation needs, from face swapping and avatar generation to a video translation and image editing, right? And also they produce the high quality output. Users have praised Akool for producing professional grade results, particularly in face swapping and video editing tasks. The only thing that is kind of unfortunate for Akool, the subscription costs. While Akool offers a free plan, access to enhanced features requires a subscription, which may be consideration for individual users or small businesses. And some users have noted that rendering large video files can take additional time, which might impact workflows requiring quick turnaround, right? So Akool stands out as a comprehensive AI-driven platform that significantly enhances the efficiency and quality of digital content creation. It's a diverse toolset combined with an accessible interface makes it a valuable resource for professionals seeking to produce engaging and personalized content. While there are considerations regarding subscription and the length of delivering quick turnouts, the basically overall benefit and capabilities of Akool position it is as strong as contender in the realm of AI content creation tools. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we will catch you in the